Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. September started, and we started having very good opportunities on the market. So today is Wednesday morning, time to analyze the market and of course the major currency pairs and their significant levels. What do we have? Quick recap about the economic calendar. Don't forget about the NFP this Friday. It's gonna be insane, very volatile and very interesting. So yesterday, Tuesday, we got ISM manufacturing PMI in US 2 p.m. GMT time. Went red. Construction PMI, not positive information about the Great British Pound. And interest rate decision in Australia. They kept exactly the same interest rate as before. Today we have interest rate decision in Canada. According to the forecast, we expect to see the same 1.75% interest rate in Canada. 2 p.m. GMT time, so Canadian dollar definitely is going to be very volatile today. Tomorrow ADP, NFP, ISM manufacturing PMI in US, and crude oil inventories. The economic calendar is full of events, so definitely highly recommend you to follow what is going on, and of course to take the necessary decisions in order to make money. As usual, we start with Euro US dollar. What's going on? We saw slight recovery from the bottom here. So I don't trade Euro. You know me very well. Since the last probably 2-3 months I'm saying that Euro US dollar is very unpredictable. Our resistance is 1.1028. I'm gonna keep exactly the same resistance and I'm not gonna put a new support level. This is the level that you have to be focused, but I wouldn't trade it. GBP US dollar, the recovery that we've been expecting here last week obviously didn't work out. The price didn't manage to reach the resistance. We have new resistance 1.2180 around these levels, and the price is heading directly to the resistance 1.2180. This is the level that you have to be focused on. This is the level where you have to follow the GBP. I think till the end of the week it's pretty possible to see the recovery to the resistance level. We keep exactly the same support, 1.2079. As you see, yesterday we saw false breakout of the support, and most probably we're gonna see test of the resistance. Australian US dollar, what is going on? Recovery as we discussed, and the price tested once more 0.67 round number and the very strong support level. Retraced back immediately. This is because of the interest rates in Australia yesterday, and right now it's heading up. We're in a completely downtrend of the Australian dollar. Just be careful with the shorts because it can go directly to the next resistance, 0.6829. So just careful with the short trades. New Zealand US dollar, what is going on? It's just recovering as the Australian dollar, but this is much more stronger when it comes to downtrend and when also comes to momentum. It's just going down and down. This recovery is nothing compared to the drop since the last couple of months. So because of this, a New Zealand dollar, I would believe it's gonna be much faster going down than the Australian dollar. But the situation is exactly the same like the Australian. Be careful with the shorting because it can reach 0.64, the round number resistance. It's very clear levels we are having on New Zealand dollar, 0.63, false breakout of the round number and recovery to the upside. USD Canadian. Let's take a quick look of the crude oil. What is going on? Yesterday, $2 drop. We're bearish on the crude oil. I'm sorry. We're bearish completely on the crude oil. We are looking for short opportunities. As you see, price tested the support 53.28 and not immediately, but very quickly recovered to the upside to recover half of this drop that we got yesterday. Right now is heading to the resistance 54.82. We're in the middle of the support and the resistance line, so be careful with taking any trades, either short 54.82, either breakout trade on 53.28. This is gonna be my plan for the crude oil. And if we see crude oil declining, which means it's gonna confirm our USD Canadian. USD Canadian yesterday made a false breakout of the resistance level, something that we've been expecting the breakout, and we expected even much more upside momentum, upside following the upward trend. So right now it can go down simply because of the false breakout. I am totally bullish on the USD Canadian because of the drop of the crude oil, because of the downtrend of the crude oil, and we can see slight bounce from the resistance and good breakout opportunity. Just to repeat the trade that we got here, and continuation to the upside. Really depends of the crude oil. We are going to have crude oil inventories tomorrow, so this is very economical, a very big economical event for the crude oil and for the USD Canadian. USD Swiss, it's absolutely perfect for now. This is my favorite for today. USD Swiss franc is going in a downtrend. If we take a look, we have a very strong sell momentum here, 0.99 reversing from the round number. And if we just take, for example, this sell-off, here, you're gonna see what is simply the price action after that. You're gonna see what is the drop, 100, 120, 130 pips. So this definitely is a very potential opportunity that I'm going to take very soon. USD Japanese yen, what is happening? Still we're in the middle of the range of between the resistance and the support. I'm gonna keep exactly the same levels, and definitely USD Japanese very soon is gonna be very potential for selling. I am going to sell USD Japanese according to the downtrend. I'm definitely not gonna consider buying opportunities here, and it's a matter of time to see when the price is going to continue the trend. So really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course. If you liked the video, just support me with thumbs up, comments below, and of course share us and like us on the social medias. Have a very profitable week and expect my video on Friday morning. Enjoy.